வணக்கம். It's truly an honor and pleasure to be here with you for this beautiful Pongal celebration. As you all know, that Pongal is not just a festival, it is an emotion deeply rooted in Tamil culture. It is a celebration of gratitude to the sun, the earth, the farmers, the cattle, and the nature itself. In today's fast-paced world, Pongal reminds us to pause, reflect, and say thank you for all that sustains our lives. Celebrating Pongal in Nuremberg, far away from our homeland, has a special meaning. It shows the strength of our culture and the deep connection we carry in our hearts, no matter where we live. When I see children dressed in traditional attire, sitting here in the first line, and will hear the Tamil spoken and with pride, and witness our customs being followed with such devotions, I feel confident that our heritage is in the safe hands. India's cultural heritage is one of the humanity's greatest treasures. Rooted in thousands of years of history, it embodies a spirit of diversity, inclusivity, and harmony. Through our music, dance, literature, and philosophy, India has always carried a message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that the world is one family. Today's gathering is a reflection of that spirit, uniting people across borders in a shared appreciation of art, heritage, and values. I look forward to the performances that lie ahead, which I am confident will leave us not only entertained but also enriched. I would like to specifically appreciate Nuremberg Tamil Sangam for its tireless efforts in bringing the Tamil community together. Organizations like yours play a vital role in preserving our language, culture, and values, and in passing them on to the next generation. It's not just a festival, but a way to build a culture bridge between Tamil Nadu and Germany. And tomorrow we will be celebrating the Republic Day of India, and I would like to congratulate and convey my best wishes to all of you on the Republic Day of India. Thank you very much.